Do you want to make your interview feel like you are not seeking admission, but actually showing that you are ready to grow and serve? Then you are at the right place. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Rebecca Konen, a final year dental hygiene student at the Aga Khan University. Today's video is very close to my heart because I understand how overwhelming it feels when you are prepared for an interview. Therefore, I will walk you through not just how to prepare, but how to think about the interview so you can walk in with clarity and confidence. First of all, let's talk about the shift in your perspective. When we think of interviews, generally we imagine a panel that is grilling us with difficult questions, but in reality, the AQ interview is not about catching you off guard, right? It's about understanding who you are as a person, your sincerity, your motivation, and whether you can thrive in their learning environment. So instead of memorizing answers or some fancy words using in there, you have to focus on understanding yourself. What is your story? What's your why? And what are your values actually? That is what makes you stand out. Now let me share a little about my own experience. Of course, I was nervous, and that's natural. The process actually includes two interviews, right? One is it's going to be right after the other. You will go into the first interview, and as soon as it's done, you will be called for the next. And they even offer you water in the beginning, and it's totally up to you if you want to accept it. And the conversation feels more like a discussion, not like a formal questioning, but more like a conversation. And one important thing I realize is that it's always better to give genuine and practical answers to them rather than overthinking on a question. For example, I remember जब उन्होंने मुझसे एक question पूछा कि अगर आपको home sickness होती है, so what will you do? At that time, I used to live in a world जो कि बहुत perfectly चल रहा होता है, जहाँ पे कोई भी आपके mood से हट के कोई चीज़ नहीं होती. Everything goes as you think, right? But that's not what happens in your real life. So at that time I answered them कि मुझे होम सिकनेस नहीं होगी because मुझे मालूम है कि how you care yourself or how you're gonna thrive in new environment. Although I have not been away from my family before, but still I was overconfident because I felt कि ऐसा नहीं होगा. These homesickness things are just kind of dramas, but that was really not that I realized when I came here, right? So what I am trying to suggest you here is that you have to be as real, as realistic as you can. Sometimes you're intentionally like that, but sometimes unintentionally you think कि maybe these things are not possible enough that कि वो मेरे साथ हो जाए. But they could actually happen, and at that time you can think of it like कि yes, of course, I might be homesick. I might feel like that for a stage because everybody has emotions. Somewhere, somehow, everybody has a stage of life where they can feel a certain way. So at that time, I'll try if I can approach for help or I'll try to reconnect with my family, and that's how you can design your answer. Now, moving to some core areas that I would encourage you to prepare for. The first area is the personal motivation. You have to be clear about why dental hygiene, not in big fancy words, but in your own truth. Maybe it's your personal story, maybe it's your love for patient care, or your interest in oral health. You need to keep it as authentic as you can. The second area is awareness of the profession in AQ, right? So you have to show that you know about the dental hygiene, what is the program about, and you don't need to quote the whole website in front of them. Rather, you have to reflect on what is their vision and how it connects with you, how it connects with your values. The third area is critical thinking, right? So many times we may be asked a situation, in which they ask us that you have a lot of study burden and you are nervous. How would you tackle that? So you have to think about it critically and respond to them as you feel suitable with. Now, what could be some expected questions that you might see in the interview panel? So based on my experience, I've seen these questions. The first goes is like, tell us about yourself. And वो कहता है कि आपकी चीज़ें आप पे भारी पड़ जाती हैं. So in my case, what I did was not it's in a good manner that how it happened to me, because I wrote a very long essay kind of introduction for myself, and मैंने वही जाके उनके सामने बोल दिया, and they picked a question from my introduction. And for a moment I thought, because उन्होंने मुझसे पूछा कि आपने ऐसा कहा कि you do things like this. So what if this goes that way? It was a question designed for my own introduction. So that was something that was kind of out of box, and that could actually make me feel that it's a good thing. So now I don't tell कि आप अपनी introduction नहीं लिखो. Rather, it's a good thing that other than your name, your age and your gender, you know something about yourself. अगर आपके पास आपके नाम और आपके एज और आपके जेंडर के अलावा बोलने को कुछ है नहीं, so it does not mean you know yourself, and that's how your introduction is made. And I would suggest you should have a good introduction that could actually reflect you, right? The other question was, why do you want to study AQ? Now you have to, of course, they know about AKU, but you have to also mention what was the spark that connected with you more about AQ. Then the other question would be followed about why dental hygiene, and again the adjustment in hostel life. How would you make it, and how could be some practical questions like do you favor cheating or not? What do you think it should be permitted or not? Some questions like that as well. Now I would emphasize on other area as well, that is the right mindset. So the interviews are not searching for a perfect candidate. You need to remember this. They are not searching for somebody who is perfect among all the people who are appearing in an interview. Remember that they are searching for a genuine learner जिसमें adaptability हो, जिसमें that should have some kind of learning will, right? You don't have to know everything, rather you just need to show that you're willing to learn, adapt and serve with sincerity. So carry yourself with calm and confidence, and you need to listen to them carefully. जब आप उनको गौर से सुनोगे, then you'll be able to answer them, because when we are nervous there are lots of things going in our mind and we could not listen to them carefully, and therefore we cannot answer them, right? So, and it's completely fine that if you don't know any answer, it's completely fine, and you could say, I'm not sure about this, but I'll research about it later. Now, finally, there are some practical tips that I would like to end this video with. So, the first is practice speaking out loud, because when we speak in our mind, everything is going perfectly. But when we bring it out to the world, they get mixed all over and we are so confused. So for that purpose, practice speaking out loud. You can do mock interviews, maybe with a friend, with a senior, with your siblings, or just go in front of a mirror and try speaking out loud and practice your interview, right? Next is you need to be stay updated on some basic health topics as well, that are some currently issues of Pakistan. This is not a big thing, but you should have some knowledge about that as well. And the most important thing, you should sleep well before the day, because it's not just only for interview or just only for test, it's for your daily life as well. If you want your next day if you want to perform better in your next day, you need to sleep well before that. In the end, remember that this interview is not just a test, it's a conversation about your future. Go with gratitude, with honesty, and with the mindset that you're not only here to seek admission, but also showing that you are ready to grow and serve. I genuinely wish each of you the best of luck for the AQ 2025 interviews. In this video, if this video helped you, do share it with someone else who might benefit from it. Thank you for staying till the end, and see you in the next video.